my dear friends and family from Facebook. This is Tannia Martinez here from Miami, Florida, going live. And today I'm going to talk about if you have heard the silence. Yeah, have you heard the silence? We are surrounded by many sounds. And I'm not talking about music in per se. I'm talking about all type of sounds. But have you stopped to think about how the silence sounds? And the silence obviously is no sounds, but sometimes silence is accompanied by nature sounds, everything that surrounds us. And why am I asking this? Because it's important to take a few minutes and just stop, to relax, to breathe, to listen, and to recollect our thoughts and pause towards our routine, pause towards even our family who sucks our energy, and we help them and we love them. But we need to stop sometimes to recompose, recharge, and to get it together. We are living in fast-paced times, and sometimes we just need a break to recharge so we can be ready for battle. Have you stopped to rethink, to analyze your path, your goals? But don't overthink, because if you do, you might get lost with your thoughts. Just do. So that was my question of today. If you have been able to have a moment to yourself, for yourself. I'm listening to the wave of the sleeve, all the sound of the wind. It's amazing when you can do that and be surrounded by God's creation and recomposed. Anyhow, I just wanted to remind you that sometimes we need to stop and listen to the sound, listen to the silence, so we can be as one with earth. Have a blessed day, and never ever forget that all we have here is free. God gave that to us. Thank you. Have a blessed day, and today is your day when you will make a difference in your life. Be surrounded by nature. Everything that we are surrounded is energy. Take care, guys.